Hello, welcome. Today I'm doing a hair tutorial on Glamorous Hair Company. This is everything that came inside the package. The hair in the bag, it came with some earrings and also a wig cap. Couple other things, so let's get right into it. This wig is a full cap. It is a curly bank wig. This is a 10-inch, which is 180% density. This is like a 33, which is a reddish brown color. I am just showing you how the inside look. It has combs on the side and the back. The color came exactly like this. I had no lace on it. This is usually used as a protective style because you can just put it on top of your head and go. But I am going to style this hair a little bit with water and some curl which is like a curl cream. Cute and natural look, and I also will trim this hair a bit just because I want it to frame my face a little bit more. And here we go with the framing. I'm just trimming a little bit, making layers so the hair looks a little bit fuller and bigger. can also do a half up, half down kind of style. More trimming, and there you go. You can wear this style, but if you wanted to hide a little bit more, I would wear it down. But it is a very cute style if you're just taking pictures. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.